friends, welcome to my channel Ravina Makeup and Beauty. Today I am going to show a makeup challenge in which I am going to use a products or makeup products which cost under 100 rupees only. Yes, it's going to be a affordable makeup kit for the beginner. So let's start for the makeup. And if you had not subscribed to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel. Let's start with the video. First, for moisturizer, I had used a Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer pouch which cost rupees 15 only, and it is a good moisturizer also. So I'm going to apply all over my face. I'm going to blend with the hand. And after moisturizer for the lip, I had used Himalaya Strawberry Lip Balm which cost 60 rupees only. I'm going to apply all over my lips to hydrate my lips. And whichever product I had used, it is under 100 rupees only, and it is a good quality of products also, so you can use a day-to-day life. And for foundation, I had used a Blue Heaven foundation. It is a pan stick foundation and which cost rupees 95 only. And to blend the foundation, I had used a normal drugstore blender. It take a time to blend, but it blends properly, and it cost for 75 rupees for 4 pieces. So I'm going to blend it properly with it. And in description also I had provide the all details regarding these products whichever I had used. So don't forget to check the description, and if you have any doubt then please comment me below. And after blending, to hide my concerns whichever is visible, I'm going to use the foundation, the second coat of foundation, and I'm going to blend it properly. And to set the foundation, I had used Johnson's Baby White powder, and to apply the powder I had used a Beauty Puff. So friends, I just want to say you about this powder. It is reasonable. It is just 45 rupees, and it works exactly like a translucent powder because it is a colorless and it sets really well. So that's why I had used this powder. If you are not having the costable powder, you can use this powder as well. It is a lightweight powder, so you will not get the cakey effect also. I'm going to apply all over my face with this puff, and this puff cost rupees 15 only. And then for eye guard also I am going to use the same powder. I'm going to apply it with the puff. And for eyeshadow, I'm going to use a ADS lip pencil. It is a creamy type of pencil which cost rupees 60, and I'm going to apply all over my lid, and I'm going to blend it properly. It is a really creamy form lipstick, so it blends easily and it look nice. You can blend this with the hand also, but I had used here the eyeshadow blender which cost rupees 80 only. It is really reasonable, and you can see the quantity is also more. I'm going to blend it. And after blending, I had used a Just Gold shimmer which cost rupees 50. I'm going to apply with the help of the hand. And friends, you can see whichever product I had used, it is a cheaper as well as the quality is also good, means you can use as for day-to-day life. And then for liner I had used ADS long lasting pen eyeliner which cost rupees 90. And for mascara I had used Kent London mascara which cost rupees 80 only. And for kajal I had used HNI pencil shade black. I'm going to apply all over my waterline. And for eyebrow I had used a Oudbo eyebrow gel which cost rupees 95. And for with that gel I had get the brush also. So I'm going to use that brush to fill my eyebrows. And friends, if you had not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it and don't forget to share this link to your friends and family members as well. After completing my eyebrows, I'm going to remove all the excess powder from my face. I'm going to dab that beauty sponge only on my face. And friends, for blush I had not got under 100 rupees, so here I'm going to use a lipstick, NYN lipstick, which cost rupees 60. It is shade in pink, so I'm going to apply all over my cheeks and I'm going to blend it with the hands. And for lip liner I had used Miss Claire lip liner shade in red which cost rupees 65. And for lipstick I had used Just Gold mini lipstick which cost rupees 80 only. And friends, whichever products I had used you will get easily in any drugstore shop. And for highlighter I had used Miss Gold highlighter which cost rupees 85 only. I'm going to blend it with the help of my hands. And friends, as you can see, I had completed all my makeup by products using under 100 rupees only. If you had enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like my video and share this link to your friends and family members. And if you had not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe. Please press the bell icon so you will get the notifications when you will apply new video. Thank you for watching my video. Love you. Bye.